I've worked with people earning $200,000 a year who have less financial security than people earning $75,000. How is that possible? Because your income and your net worth are two completely different things. And if you're focused on the wrong one, you can earn great money your entire career and build absolutely nothing. If you've ever thought, I make decent money, why don't I feel secure? This is why. Here's what most people get wrong. Your income is what flows through your life. Your net worth is what stays. And most people spend their entire career focused on the number that feels important, their salary, while ignoring the number that actually determines their financial security. You can see this everywhere. The person with the impressive job title and nice car who's actually stressed about money. The high earner living paycheck to paycheck. These aren't careless people, they're just measuring the wrong thing. So let me show you the difference. Your income is how much money comes in. Your net worth is how much you've kept and grown. Here's the math. Net worth equals everything you own minus everything you owe. Add up your savings, retirement accounts, brokerage accounts, and real estate equity. Subtract your debts, mortgage, loans, credit cards. That's your net worth. And here's why it matters more than your salary. If you earn $120,000 a year but spend $115,000, your income looks great, but your net worth is barely moving. You're making good money, but building almost nothing. But if you earn $70,000 a year and spend $50,000, you're saving $20,000 a year. In 10 years, that's $200,000 plus growth. That's real net worth. That's actual security. So here's what you actually need to know. Am I on track? Here are the rough benchmarks. By age 30, net worth equal to your annual income. By age 40, 3 times your income. By age 50, 6 times your income. So if you're 40 and earning $100,000 a year, you should be targeting a net worth around $300,000. Not there yet? That's okay. This is a direction, not a judgment. But now you know what to build toward. These aren't perfect rules, but they do give you a target. They tell you if you're building something real or just maintaining a lifestyle. I've seen someone earning $150,000 a year with a net worth of under $50,000, and someone earning $60,000 a year with a net worth of over $300,000. The difference? One spends $145,000 a year. The other has been disciplined for years. The first person feels successful, the second person is secure. And here's the critical part. Net worth is the only number that actually compounds. Your salary doesn't compound. It goes up when you get a raise, but it doesn't grow on its own. Net worth, on the other hand, does. When you save and invest, that money earns a return. That return also starts to generate a return. Over time, compounding does more for your financial security than your salary ever could. So let's make this practical. Stop asking, how much do I earn? And start asking, what's my net worth? And is it growing? Here's your system. Step 1, calculate your net worth right now. Actually add it up, don't guess. Step 2, track it once a year, same month every year. Actually write it down. Step 3, watch the trend. If your net worth is growing, you're building real security, no matter what your income is. If it's flat or shrinking, something needs to change, even if your income looks good. When I work with clients, this shift in perspective changes everything. Because once you start tracking net worth, you stop making decisions based on what you earn and start making decisions based on what you're actually building. You start asking, does this purchase move my net worth forward or backward? Does this job opportunity increase my income or my ability to build wealth? Am I living in a way that builds security or just funding an expensive lifestyle? Those questions lead to completely different choices. Better choices. You can out-earn bad financial habits for a while, but you can't do it forever. At some point, if you're not building net worth, you're just on a very expensive treadmill. The good news? Once you see this clearly, it's fixable. You don't need to slash your lifestyle or live like you're broke. You just need to make sure some of what you earn actually stays and grows. Because financial security doesn't come from earning a lot, it comes from keeping and growing what you earn. That's net worth. And that's what actually matters. Here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment and tell me, where does your net worth stand compared to these benchmarks? Are you on track, behind, or even ahead? I read every comment and I'm genuinely curious where you're at. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more clear, practical, personal finance guidance. See you in the next video.